Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. Hope you all are fine and taking care of your health. Yesterday we have started the new chapter, chapter number 6, that is Omana's journey. I have given you the explanation of the first part of that chapter. Now today we are going to see the second part of that chapter. Now first I will give you the small recap of that first part. In the first part we come to know that Omana and Radha, they are two friends and they have planned for going to Kerala in the vacation. But as Radha fell down from the bicycle and she got fractured in her leg. So doctor suggested her to take the rest for 6 weeks and now she is not able to go for the trip. So Radha's mother, she suggested Omana to write a diary of her trip. Now in the second page, we have seen the picture of a platform. You can see in the platform there is a coolie, passengers are there, and there is a reservation chart in which we can find our names, we can find our berth number also. And in the second picture you can see now the passengers are sitting inside the train and the ticket checker, he has come to see the tickets whether the passengers are on the करेक्ट सीट और नॉट. दोनों पिक्चर को देख के आपको समझ में आया, एक प्लेटफॉर्म का है और दूसरा ट्रेन के अंदर का है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज अबाउट, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज, now next you can see on page number 50 that's Omana is sitting near the window and she is watching the fields. Now the fields are not looking green. Why? Because it is the summer time and the fields have become dry and brown. Fields का color dry brown हो गया है और वो सूखे हो गए हैं. Now the next picture is of a platform, means where the train has stopped. ट्रेन जहाँ पे रुक जाती है वहाँ पे का वो सीन है जहाँ पे चाय वाला, दूध वाला सब आवाज दे दे के अपने सामान बेच रहे हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ सीन यू हैव ऑल seen in the platform. And student, if any time you also go for that any trip in the train, you can also write a diary instead of seeing the mobiles and all. You can write your what you have seen in the train trip, you can write there. Now the next picture you can see on page number 51 that there is a picture of a train and also the picture of a luggage and the things we find in the platform. Now Omana, she came to know when she go for brushing the teeth, she came to know that there is no water and someone told her that in the next big station water will be going to come in the bathroom. Now she is seeing outside and go on the next page. Students, see in the page number 52 there are the pictures of the pictures are there. These are the members who are working in the railways platform and also on the railway stations. Now the first picture is of porter. Porter means in the local language you can understand he is a coolie. He used to take the luggage and he used to transfer the luggage from one platform to another platform. Now the second picture is of guard. He is a guard who used to show the flags. When the train has to stop, he will show the red color flag, and when the train has to proceed, जब ट्रेन को आगे बढ़ाना होता है तो वो ग्रीन कलर का फ्लैग दिखाता है और जब ट्रेन को रोकना होता है तो रेड कलर का. Now the third one is driver. Now the driver, you all know that who used to drive the train. ट्रेन का ड्राइवर भी ड्राइवर होता है, बाकी व्हीकल्स के ड्राइवर को भी ड्राइवर बोलते हैं. This is a picture of a driver. Now the fourth one is ticket checker. आपने पहले वाले पिक्चर में देखा टिकट चेकर ट्रेन के अंदर आया था वो टिकट चेक करने के लिए. तो इस टिकट चेकर का काम क्या है, वो पैसेंजर्स के पास जाके उनके टिकट्स को चेक करता है कि बराबर उनके टिकट्स हैं या नहीं और वो अपनी सीट पे बैठे हैं या नहीं. नाउ द फिफ्थ पिक्चर इज ऑफ पुलिसमैन. नाउ व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ पुलिसमैन? ही यूज्ड टू सी if any thief is not there or if any fight is there between the passengers, so he can sort it out. He also take care of the passengers. तो पुलिसमैन का काम क्या है, वो देखता है कि ट्रेन में कोई थीफ तो नहीं है, कोई किसी का सामान तो नहीं चुरा रहा है या कोई आपस में दो लोग लड़ जाते हैं तो वो उनको सॉर्ट आउट करने का काम पुलिसमैन का है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज क्लीनर. नाउ व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ क्लीनर? क्लीनर यूज्ड टू क्लीन द प्लेटफॉर्म. प्लेटफॉर्म को क्लीन रखने का काम किसका है? क्लीनर का है. पूरी साफ सफाई करना, प्लेटफॉर्म को साफ रखना, हाइजेनिक रखना क्लीनर का काम है. नाउ the number 7th is ticket seller. Ticket seller, what is the work of ticket seller? To give the tickets. अब हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी आपको भरूच से अहमदाबाद जाना है तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, टिकट खरीदना पड़ेगा. सो वेयर यू विल बाय द टिकट, यू हैव टू गो टू द टिकट सेलर, यू हैव टू गिव द मनी टू हर और हिम एंड यू हैव टू बाय द टिकट, बिकॉज विदाउट टिकट, बिना टिकट के आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह नहीं जा सकते हैं. नाउ दिस इज द completion of the chapter, student. Hope you all have understand the chapter nicely. This is all about Umana's journey, how she sat in the train, how she is watching the outside from the windows. Now which members she have seen in the platform. She has told you the details of all the members and she is writing all the things in her diary. Now students, if any queries are there, if any problem is there, you can write in the comment box and ask to me. And you also write whatever I have given you in the textbook writing work, that also you have to complete. Now, hope you all are taking care of your health. Have a nice day. Thank you.